I am really craving chilaquiles, which is like a scramble with tortillas and salsa, and it's super good. Only I don't eat eggs, so I'm gonna make it with pepitas. And I'm gonna soak them, and pepitas are pumpkin seeds. Soak these for maybe about a half an hour. I've already cut up some tortillas because I was gonna make my husband chips and salsa, but I just never got around to it. So chilaquiles for me. He doesn't eat pumpkin seeds because he's allergic to them. I'm also gonna use this salsa. So it's good, it's delicious. But you know, you can use any salsa. If you wanted a more eggy flavor, you could use black salt. I don't have any. Nooch. AKA nutritional yeast. A great cheesy flavor. I don't need to add any garlic or onions because the salsa has it all. I might add some vegetable. I'm gonna add a little bit of this happy zucchini. Let's get started. So I dice up my zucchini very well and saute them with some all-purpose spice and butter, and I get them nice and brown. Then I rinse my pepitas and I dry them out and I get the skins off. Not all of them, but just some of them. I blend it up real well. I used a lot of liquid because I wanted to get it above the blades. And then I add my spices, my nooch, all that stuff, and blend. Fry up my tortillas, dry them off with a cloth because we're sustainable, and start the scramble. It takes a while. It takes a long time, especially when you have so much liquid. And then you take this spackle and you put it aside and you soak your tortillas in salsa. It tastes super good. The texture, I mean, if you have texture issues, you might have an issue with it. It's very mushy. I'm sure I can make it better. I'm sure I just didn't do it right. I think I probably just put too much liquid in it. Definitely satisfying. It actually tastes a little bit like eating cheese. It's kind of like ricotta. I'm loving it.